Lots of emotion, exaggeration, and excuses. Tonight, the latest twists and turns in a domestic violence case. 8 on Your Side digs a little deeper into this bitter battle of he said, she said.
Right now, Joseph Irby is facing felony battery for allegedly ramming his wife's car. And although Taylor Irby is the alleged victim of domestic violence in the case, she is still facing misdemeanor trespassing charges. Now, many were outraged when Taylor was arrested after turning in Joseph's guns to police.
The state attorney now says it appears Taylor only turned in the guns after she thought she might be in trouble. 8 on Your Side investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi is here to explain.
Well, Keith, Stacy, that was really the most shocking thing that we heard yesterday. Investigators say to understand this case, you have to keep in mind that this was a very ugly divorce.
I think these are supercharged, emotional people.
Taylor Irby's arrest made headlines, outraged lawmakers, and even a fellow prosecutor called it a disgrace. A woman running out of options breaks into her estranged husband's home to get his guns for police. On Wednesday, 10th Circuit State Attorney Brian Haas dropped a bombshell.
The narrative that Mrs. Irby went to the apartment to get the guns to protect herself and her children is false.
Haas says Taylor's friend testified on the day she entered Joseph's apartment. She was upset he had drained a bank account. Taylor took 2 watches, a GoPro, and more.
Mrs. Irby's friend informed my office that the purpose of taking these items was to sell or pawn them to make money. Based upon our investigation, it also appears that it wasn't until she realized that she may be in trouble did she put forth her story that she entered the apartment for taking the guns.
By that day in mid-June, both Taylor and Joseph had reached a boiling point. Tonight, 8 on Your Side investigates going back 6 months.
We're separated right now. He's over at the house. He's mentally not well. He's psychotic, and he's refusing to leave.
That's a 911 call Taylor made in January. Soon she would file for divorce and ask for sole custody of their 2 kids.
And are you there now or no?
I am there.
Taylor also handed authorities this text message. It appears to show Joseph allegedly threatened suicide. She asked for an injunction for protection, but it was denied.
Do you think that the system failed Mrs. Irby in any way?
Well, I don't know all the facts of that prior injunction petition, and certainly I'm concerned for Mrs. Irby as well.
Here's what prosecutors found. June 14th, there was no divorce hearing. The couple was fighting about a child's doll. Joseph did hit Taylor's car, but he never tried to run her off the road. Prosecutors say throughout her interactions with police, at times, Taylor's facts were exaggerated. Like when she told Lakeland police Joseph had been arrested a ton of times.
Whatever she was telling the officer, it was inaccurate. Whether it was an intentional exaggeration, whether it was a misunderstanding on her part.
Despite the fact that prosecutors believe Taylor took things from Joseph, they are using discretion and not charging her for that. Haas also had this message for the leaders, politicians, and others outspoken about this case.
It is critically important to fully understand the facts of a situation before attempting to exploit it.
So he definitely thinks there was a rush to judgment there. Now, prosecutors say a 911 call was made the day that Taylor's car was hit. That is going to be released soon, and you can expect that to be very emotional. She was definitely scared on that day. And again, Mr. Irby is facing a felony tonight. And again, prosecutors say Taylor is a victim of domestic violence. Mahsa Saeidi.
Thank you, Mahsa. If you have a problem you want Mahsa to investigate, give her a call. There's the 8 on Your Side helpline number, 1-800-338-0808.